Bruh.
She stuck up. Some people did not hold back. No! Don't want to be in the city. Get me out. Get me back to the roots. Get me back to South East London where I love to be.
Pulling up, being on swerving. Bad bitch pushing on curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's IZZA and we're back in the building in the gap. Okay, so guys, for today's video I'm going to be reading your assumptions of me. I did ask everyone on my Snapchat and my Instagram what their first impressions of me were, what their assumptions of me were, and I'm going to read them out and react to them. Some people did not hold back. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Why? Because I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 4 PM without fail. Now without further ado, let's go into the video. This isn't even an assumption. Someone put, I think we should get married.
Bruh.
Low-key, I feel like I know who this person is. And I'm not involved. Alright, next one. You like and enjoy Liverpool more than you thought that you would. Yeah, 100%. I'm not gonna lie, when I first came here I was thinking, I don't want to be in the city. Get me out. Get me back to the roots. Get me back to South East London where I love to be. But honestly, being here, I would live in Liverpool if I had the chance. I'm not gonna lie to you. People are nice, you know, people are funny. Man, them, they do move mad, but it's funny. Living up here was one of the best decisions of my life. Someone said that I come across like they thought that I was uptight.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say I'm uptight, I just think I am very much a mum figure. Like in the group, as much as I'm loud, I am very like reserved in the sense like I do watch everyone. I'm so good at analysing people, it's a joke. When it comes to like having fun and doing this, I have a limit. And if you guys, if people want to start doing the drugs, I'm not involved. If that's what you want to do with your life, that's what you want to do with your life. That's not my business. But I wouldn't say I'm uptight, but then I wouldn't say I'm very relaxed. I'm quite, I'm not uptight, I'm blunt. I'm very, very blunt. I say it how it is. If you're doing something that I think is a bit mad, I will call you out on it. Are you subscribed? Because you've made it to this point of the video. I know you're enjoying it. So just press the red button. It's free. Click the bell next to it. You know, uploads 3 times a week. Just give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you've joined the squad in the comments down below. Anyway, let's continue the video. Someone said when I first saw you, my first thing was like this little girl can dance, even though you were like 16. Thanks. Don't know if you know this, guys, but I am a dancer. I am a dancer, but I am a dancer. I'm a dancer. I guess, yeah, that is a good assumption of me. I can dance. Little girl, what do you, I'm a big woman. Guys, comment down below how old you think I look. Someone said I thought that you were bubbly and nice. I am, like 100%. That is, you hit the nail on the head. I'm very, very bubbly. I'm a very, very nice person. Like, I'm very approachable. Okay, here's the thing. On a night out, I don't care. Like, I will just walk up to you and I'll talk to you. I'll bust convo with you, fine. But if it's not a night out situation and I see you on road and blah, 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 like, if you seem open and cool, we can hit it off straight away. Like, I'm super, super, like, I'm super, super approachable in that way. So yeah, bubbly and nice, that is me. Someone said that you are outgoing and extroverted. Yes and no. I'm outgoing, except there are certain things you will never catch me doing. I don't really like roller coasters. I'm not outgoing in that sense. You want to call me and tell me let's go out? I'm there. You want to call me and tell me let's go to a freaking house party? I'm there. That's kind of outgoing I am. Extroverted, do you know what? I'm more introverted. Like, I'm an introverted extrovert in the sense that when I first meet you, I'm to myself, I'm reserved, I'm bubbly. I'll analyse you and I'll see how you're moving. Once I know how you're moving, then I'll open up and I'll be like, boom. If you make the first move and you talk to me, oh, it's a bloody vibe. I will unleash all of this on you and we can catch vibes and I'm super cool. But I would say I'm quite introverted because especially like in a big group, I'm probably the more quiet one. Like, I'll probably just like sit there, watch people. Which is really weird because a lot of people think that I'm the opposite, but yeah. Next one is she has a lot of friends. I have friends. Before I answer the question, I do have friends. For me to call you my friend, I have a lot of like criteria and boxes to check. I have a lot of acquaintances and a lot of people I get on well with, but friends, like I do have a small handful of friends. Yeah, I wouldn't say I have loads and loads of friends, but I do have like a good bunch, a good handful of friends. But I get on with everyone. Like, if I don't get on with you, that's really your fault because it's really hard not to get on with me. Like, I really don't have a problem with anyone. Like, I like people a lot. So if I don't like you or you don't get on with me, it's a you problem and not a me problem. She looks like the type of girl I'd hate at first but be best friends with. A lot of people say, like, a lot of my friends now, they'll be like, Isabel, when I first met you, I thought you were going to be a bitch, but you're actually lovely. I don't know what it is. Is it like, do I have a resting bee face? No, I guess living in London, growing up in London, I have to look like I'm ready to fight, because otherwise the man them get very, very confident and want to try to step to me and talk to me. I don't want to talk to you. So I just walk around like I'm ready to fight everyone. But I feel like since being in Liverpool, I've kind of toned down. But no, like, yeah, I'm not a bitch. I promise, I'm a lovely person. Unless you cross me, then I will absolutely come for you. But like, I'm a very chill, nice person, really approachable. Next one, she's stuck up. No, I'm not stuck up. People, and also, if you don't know, I'm an only child, so people think I'm this stuck up, self-centered girl. I'm really not. Like, if anything, I think the reason why people do think I can be stuck up is because I love my own company. Like, I love being in my room. Like, right now, this whole lockdown situation hasn't really upset me. It hasn't fazed me. I could be in my room for days. Like, hasn't upset me. I could be in my room for days at an end and it just wouldn't bother me. So I feel like people think that I don't know. I don't know, actually. I don't know why people think I'm stuck up. But I'm such a chill gal, you know. Come with the vibes, come with the energy. If we're up in the club, I'm going to gas you up. I'm going to make sure you look cute. I'm making sure that I bring my friends up with me. It's a vibe. Always, always. I'm not stuck up. No. Genuinely thought you were a vibe when I first saw you at the base ACS Halloween party. I mean, they didn't call me as a vibe for no reason. I'll break my back. I'll gas you up for breaking your back. I just want to have a good time and good vibe. Hey, babe, I just got to ask you a quick question. What was your first impressions or like your first assumptions of me?
I thought you were just a bit extra, a bit moist.
But now you don't think I'm moist or extra, right?
I still think you're extra. I don't think you're moist.
Ah, well then, thank you. Nelson met me in year 10. If you've known me since year 10, it was a very rough time. Year 10 and year 11 and like the first half of year 12, absolutely rocky, shaky. I don't know what was going on. My life was a hot mess. It was not together. So, that would explain it.
When I first saw you.
Yeah, what was your first impressions, your assumptions on me? What did you think? Do you think I was going to, like, what?
I thought you were a goth.
Bruh. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a 22. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew.
You thought I was a goth?
Yeah.
A goth?
Yeah.
What the frick?
So it's probably the nose ring. I was thinking of goth dancer, but I wasn't too sure.
Bruh.
I'm actually so dead. Do you think I'm goth now?
Not as much.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
My guy thought I was a goth. A goth. I'm actually, I don't know what to think. I'm a bit discombobulated. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming it. So if I enjoyed filming it, you enjoyed watching it. So make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Why? Because I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 4 PM without fail. Okay. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see, and if I do film your video, you will be getting your own personal shout out. Can I ask that you share this video with one person, because if you all did that, we would be past the goal of 1K and on to our new goal of 10K, baby. Watch my last video, it's right over there. As always, I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.
I heard the man say, one day, I don't play, from Monday to Sunday. I heard the man say, one day, I don't play, from Monday to Sunday.